Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we will make Krishna Lotus Asan. Firstly, you need two different colors of green pipe cleaner. You need two light green and one dark green. Then you have to twist it together like I am doing in this video. After making the leaf-like structure, you have to press the lower part harder to shrink it a bit. Like this, you have to make 5. Here are the 5 Krishnag I have made. Now we will do detailings with dark green pipe cleaner. We will cut it into small parts and make the detailings like this. After that, we will make the middle part of the flower, the lotus, which we are going to add below. After making the middle part, the circle of the flower, now we will make flower leaves like this.